you guys, my next puzzle will be this one. So it's from Ceaco. I got it on my vacation, and I don't think it has got a proper name. So we've got just Disney 100 on here. Let me have a look. Yeah, it's just Disney 100 from Ceaco. So yeah, that one is nice. So you've got the whole image here. I think I don't know if it will be tricky or not, but I will find out. And I think I will just go color for color or pattern by pattern, and then it'll be done, I guess. So let's do it. Okay, you guys, so that one was fun. Yeah, it's a nice collection, and everything is bright and colorful, and it repeats itself, most of the images, and yeah, don't know what to say about it. It was just fun. And now it's done, and that's a rhyme. Yeah. Okay, guys. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what to say. It's hot here, so I won't say anything. I just say bye-bye, and we will see us on the next one. And I love Stitch. And the Pooh Bear is cute as well. So, yeah. Guys, puzzle, puzzle, puzzle! We will see us on the next one. Bye-bye.